So just make sure you have the rain gear with you just in case if a pop-up downpour happens in your area. What's going on in the tropics? Right now, there are no tropical threats to our area, the Gulf Coast. There's nothing in the Gulf of Mexico, which is fantastic news. As we begin the month of September, we have our first hurricane of the season, Hurricane Danielle, not a threat to any areas. Right now, it is stationary, looking very impressive on satellite imagery. It has winds of 75 miles per hour with wind gusts of 90 miles per hour. So the latest forecast track from the National Hurricane Center, it looks like it will remain a Category 1 storm. It's going to continue to meander over the northern Atlantic, at least through the next several days or so, and then eventually heading out to the northeast, and it is going to hold on to its Category 1 status. It may strengthen a little bit more, but again, it looks like it will remain a Category 1 storm through the next several days. There's also two other spots we're watching. This one really not that much. It has a 0% chance of any tropical development because it is entering a very unfavorable atmospheric environment. So there's a ton of wind shear, and also we still have Saharan dust over the Atlantic basin. This area has a higher chance of development as we go through the next 2 to 5 days. It could potentially become a tropical depression as we go through the weekend. And also Earl is next on the list. So we'll watch that long term, but right now it is moving to the west-northwest at 13 miles per hour, packing winds of 35 miles per hour, bringing a little bit of rain to a few of the Leeward Islands, but as of right now, the latest forecast trend, as we take a look at the plots or the Ensemble models here, a lot of them take them out to the Atlantic Ocean or keep it over sea, but there's a few that takes it through the Caribbean Islands. As of right now, not a threat to our area. We'll continue to watch that long term, but it could potentially be an issue to Bermuda, so they'll definitely have to watch that there. There's a look at your 7-day, looking pretty good as we head through the weekend. Hot, humid temperatures in the upper 80s, lower 90s, and then you'll have to dodge a few showers and storms.